Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ignore my hair. It has been blown out twice and slept on, and this is where we're at. So I don't know. Will it end up looking like that so I can wear my hair extensions? I don't know, but we're gonna try. Today I am doing a pack with me video. I'm very excited about it, and I'm sorry if I'm talking low. I will fix it in iMovie because I'm trying not to wake up my kid. Okay. Also, I'm very excited about this because this is my first little like trip getaway without my son, and I don't know what that's like. Obviously, my husband and I have had date nights where my mom has taken Brian for the night, but like this is different because we're gonna be like far away. So I don't know how we're gonna feel, how I'm gonna feel, but I'm still excited because it's for my husband's birthday. This trip is even more exciting because we ended up winning it at a raffle at a benefit dinner for my husband's friend's brother, who unfortunately ended up getting cancer, and then his family did this benefit dinner event thing for him with a whole bunch of raffles that you had to buy tickets for, and we won a few of them. And one of them was a night in Mohegan, gift cards to restaurants, and also like a comedy club thing too, which we're gonna do later on. But I'm fucking pumped. I'm grateful. I am thankful. I'm so excited for this right now. So with that being said, hopefully this light doesn't die because the other one died. This is what I'm bringing. I'm bringing my Louis Demier duffel bag. This one is actually from Walmart when you search brown checkered bag, but apparently you can't do that anymore because there's nothing there. I don't know who outed that, but thanks a lot. First thing that I do have in the bag is my toiletries. Of course, not everything is in here. I'll probably put pictures of what I'm bringing. If you guys really care that much, you care that much, maybe. Probably why you're watching this. Anyway, I have my little jewelry case. I love this case. My husband got this for me for Valentine's Day, and it's a cute little Pandora case. I have my little extra earrings in here and another necklace in case I decide to not wear the ones that I'm bringing with me or that I'm gonna wear. Again, this is only for a night, but I just, like, COVID really changed the way I pack. Like, I lose my mind all the time. It's great. Now being a mom, my brain is literally scrambled eggs, and I'm trying, okay? If I forget anything, I forget it. It's a night. I'm not gonna die. Mouthwash, of course, TheraBreath. Fun fact, don't like this. Dazzling Mint, don't like it, but we have it. A singular toner pad. Yes, I know. New toothbrush. I just like to use a new one when I go on trips. So this is a Guru Nada one that came with one of my oil pulling oils. Tula cleanser. I was going to use this next to my rotation and then decided that we're going to save this for traveling since we are actually traveling this year. Crest 3D White toothpaste. And then I did buy this. This is a Clean at Zero Vanilla Co. cleansing balm. You guys know is my favorite, so I grabbed that. In here right now I have a singular flosser. Yes, I floss at night, so no one judge me. Also, I am bringing both of my Good Molecules serums. I'll put them here. I'm currently using the super, I don't even know what it is. It's for fine lines, and then the brightening one. And then my night lotion, which is just the CeraVe. Oh, and my eye cream, which is the Bioma. So that's all I'm really bringing for the night. Oh, well, you guys will see, hopefully. I'm gonna make my husband take pictures of me. My outfit for the night, it's gonna be cute. I'm so excited. This is going to be my makeup bag. I actually did get this from TJ Maxx. This was part of like a 2-set, I guess, but I only found this bag and the guy still sold it to me because I wanted it. I know technically if something's like broken apart from the set, they're not supposed to sell it to you, but whatever. But look how cute she is. Like, this is like OG juicy. I'm gonna have all my whole makeup in here. So like my Summer Fridays lip balm. I'll show you guys at the end. I'm lazy right now. I am also unfortunately bringing the, well, not unfortunately, but I'm bringing the Rael pads with me because I'm supposed to be getting my cycle, and just in case, I'm bringing them with me along with the roll-on pain relief for cramps and the heating patch. Fun. As for clothes, I just have honestly a lot of underwear. I'm just bringing a lot of underwear, but for PJs, I packed Queen Bee set from Mean Girls. So freaking cute. I also threw in here a pair of sneakers. These are my Avias from Walmart. I don't care. These are cute and super comfy, and just in case, because I know the next day I'm not going to be like dressed up. I only wanted to be dressed up for my husband's birthday, and then after that, that's it. But I still wanted to be comfy. The outfit I packed, of course, bra, well, Skims bralette. I just love her bralettes. They're so nice and they're so comfy. I'm bringing this tank top from H&M. I have an old, very old pair of Lulus, but I love them, so I'm bringing them. And then this crew neck cropped Calvin sweatshirt because I love it and I will never get rid of it as of now. I do have socks in here. This is all for my husband because, spoiler alert, he's turning 33, so I got a couple candles to put on something if we do end up using these. They're like number balloons and gaming control balloons, but I had to get 2 packs because I needed 2 3s and they only went up to like 13 or something. Gonna blow those up in the hotel room for him. I do have his card. I have to get his gift and put it in there. But yeah, as for my purse, I did just change it for May, but I just did it now because I wanted to. I was gonna use like a smaller bag, and I was like, I don't really want to use a smaller bag. I don't know. I'm like so undecided. But as for my makeup, I'm just bringing all my like usual. I have to remember to pack my brushes, so I will pack my brushes in here tomorrow too. You see, I just like can't get it together. I don't know what it is now. As my hair just flops up from behind my ear. Beauty blender, beautiful. These are my favorite. I don't care. My Tula under eye balm. I love this. I will always buy it. The Bioma Balancing Face Mist, CeraVe Facial Lotion, SPF 50 for the morning. NYX Plump Right Back. I love this primer so much. Kylie Skin Tint. This is like going viral recently. I really love this. I will always buy this. It's definitely a love for me as a mom. It's not too heavy. It's not too light. It's like perfect. Power 28 concealer. I am now on the NYX Wonder Stick bronzer. Sneak peek to my project pan. I'm back to a stick. A stick. And it has a highlighter on the other side. So this is what I'm bringing for face. And this LA Colors blush in the color Skinny Dip. Oh my god, you guys, I love this. This has been my blush lately. Kylie powder in yellow, right? Yeah, setting powder. Love her. NYX little setting spray, marshmallow. It's okay. It just smells like marshmallow to me. I don't know what's the difference. Elf Lash and Roll Mascara. This is the Got To Be stuff that I use. I can't tell if she's like getting empty. I don't know, but her label's gone. But we love her. And I think that's everything. I have lip products in my purse already that I always keep in there now because I usually don't have time to do a lip before I leave the house. So I always just have lip liners and lip gloss, lip oils in there. As far as deodorant and perfume, I do have a deodorant in my purse I'm gonna throw in here. And perfume, I think I'm just gonna use the one that's in my bag, honestly, which is Ariana Grande Love Notes, I think. I don't know. Nothing too crazy. Again, it's not all about me, so I don't really care. That is, wow. When your makeup routine literally fits in a tiny makeup bag. Who am I? I was literally just talking to my friend about this yesterday, going to brunch. Like, she was saying she used to work at Ulta and she had all the makeup from back in the day, like when like Jaclyn Hill and James Charles were a thing, and Morphe, and I was like, oh my god, that era, I was obsessed with makeup too. Oh my god. And now it's like, hi. I also am obviously gonna pack my brushes in here. I hope I don't forget that. I will be very upset if I do because that's gonna suck for me. Or I could just use this. I don't know. But anyways, that is everything that I'm packing right now. Oh wait, not that anyone cares, but I think it's an important thing to showcase. Protection. Because we are not having another baby right now. Okay, I am 32 years old and I have a child. Protection. Ladies, whatever it is, protection. So these are gonna go in my bag somewhere too. I hope you guys enjoyed my little pack with me, what I'm bringing with me. I don't know if I'm gonna do one for when we go to Maine because that's gonna be a very big invasive project. I'm gonna have to like make a whole chart for myself, for my son, for us, to make sure we don't forget anything. I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you wanna see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notification when I post a new video. Wish me luck. I don't know. Wish me luck that I have everything because I'm very paranoid that I don't. But anyways, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.